Today go back to another video. Today we're gonna play more Animal Jam. How's that sound? Did it sound fun or not? And you know, on the last video, I said I'm gonna go to the store. So I guess I am. Right before I go in the water. You know? I need to find a shopping area. Ah! Ew. A bridge. The bridge doesn't go. I'm so sad. I feel like I'm stuck in here now. Ooh, a ladder. I can use a ladder. I think this is a store down here. Looks like this is a store. Looks like a store. Paid money. Bye. Now, I'm gonna go up. Up, 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 up. Back to the ladder. I forgot. Ooh, it's this way. Ooh. Place. Not a beach. Wow. Oh, now this is the place I want to go. Oh my god. See what they have here. Anything's member stuff. Do you have to be a member? Chloe.
What?
I can already get that. If I was a member, I could already get that. I have 100 diamonds.
No, you have 1 diamond.
100.
1 diamond. Do you not see the decimal
100.
point?
Oh.
It says 1. That's what.
Darn it. I know I can't get anything. Ooh. See if anything I can have in the green. I'm gonna look through the box. This seems like a fun place. A party. Maybe? Don't need right now. Just need to buy some clothes. Wait, I see Nemo fish. You have Nemo fish? Buy. Ew. Wait. Let's play this game. Get it now. Okay. Bye guys. I hope you all liked this video. Keep it down below and make sure you subscribe. And I hope you remember my YouTube channel, which is my new one, new tablet, new everything. So I hope you guys liked this video. Keep it down below. Make sure you subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye. Okay, Chloe. Can you get it off so I can watch it? I'll watch the video on YouTube. Just click this. There, and then you go, what? It's doing, I know.